Meet the Ivy Beach 5 hot tub from Blue Whale Spa. With its compact yet spacious design, it boasts 2 Stormforce 7 pumps and 41 powerful jets to melt your stress away. We've added 20 mesmerizing LED lights and 3 elegant fountains to elevate your evening. Its 3 seats and 2 lounges ensure everyone finds their perfect spot. The 2 kilowatts heater and enhanced insulation keep things toasty, while the built-in Bluetooth speakers let you soak with your favorite tunes. Using the Gecko YNK336 control panel, you can set your new hot tub up exactly how you like. Plus, it's all powered by a simple 13 AMP supply. Enjoy free delivery, installation, an insulating cover, steps and a filter. And with our new chemical tablet dispensing technology, maintenance is easier than ever. Dive into luxury with the Ivy Beach 5 hot tub. Your relaxation is just a splash away.